So here's how to list assets on QuickBooks online. First of all, open up the browser and search for QuickBooks. Then click on the first link on the results. After that, you need to log into your account on QuickBooks or buy a subscription. So once you log into your account, you will get to see an interface like this. So, after logging in and heading over to your dashboard, click on the settings icon on the top right corner. After that, what you need to do is click on Chart of Accounts. And here, after you get into Chart of Accounts, click on New on the right side. So now, you need to put in the account name for your asset. After that, you need to select your account type, and I will go with Current Assets. Then, you need to select the detail type. Once you're done, you need to put in the opening balance and also the date. And then, go over to the bottom and select the other information. Once you're done, just click on Save. And that is exactly how to list assets on QuickBooks online.